Are those tiny craft supplies taking over your entire house? Not sure how to store them? In this video, I'm going to show you how to shop the Container Store like a professional and my favorite products to use when organizing the tiny craft supplies. Jessica, and I teach families just like you how to organize with tips, tricks, and tutorials. I'm going to show you how to shop the Container Store like a professional. I'm in the bathroom section at the Container Store, and I know what you're thinking. Really, bathroom section for craft supply organization? Yes. So, these are the Bliss acrylic canisters. I love them because they're acrylic, and so they are perfect for having the kids see what's inside and keep them contained. Let's grab some and see how I use them at home. I am in my kids' playroom, ready to organize all of their craft supplies using the Bliss acrylic canisters. I'm going to pour all of the beads and craft supplies and crayons and all of those fun things into these jars right now. All the supplies are in the canisters, we can store them. I added the Bliss acrylic canisters to this cart from the Container Store, and it makes the perfect art cart for your kiddos. Simply pull it over to the table, they can work, push it off to the side, no need to worry about it. And all of the canisters keep everything contained, but they're acrylic, so no need to worry about glass breaking or them damaging the canisters. Head over to Practically Perfect to see how they used the Bliss acrylic canisters as a different way to organize. And head to the Container Store in the bathroom section to grab these amazing canisters. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every Wednesday. Thank you so much for watching.